Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a video to let you know what you needed to do today while I'm gone. Remember, I told you yesterday that I'm at my grandpa's funeral today, and so I expect you to be on your best behavior, but I wanted to walk you through what the expectations were for today. So if you look at the screen here, you need your computer, your book, your planner, and your earbuds if you have them just for this video process. Remember, you are on your best behavior today while I'm gone. You are going to be able to read independently and write about your reading. You're going to be able to fix run on sentences by the end of the class time. So you're going to start with silent reading just like we usually do. Then we'll take our bathroom breaks when the sub tells you to. And it will be lunchtime for fourth hour when they call you down. After our bathroom breaks and lunchtime for fourth hour, you'll go back to silent reading for 20 minutes. When 20 minutes is up, your sub will let you know, and you will do a reading response in Google Classroom. After that, you will do a sensory break if it's earned and you've been on task. And then we'll wrap up the class block time with writing and our personal narrative example with run on sentences. Filling out our planners and cleaning up the room will be how you end the class time. So, what does that look like when we click into it? When you go into your classwork section for today, you're going to see these three things pop up. The first thing that you're going to start with after silent reading is the reading response. All I want you to do is tell me what you read about for today and why you liked or didn't like it. Please use complete sentences, capital letters, and punctuation. You should have at least 3 sentences when you're done. The next thing that you're going to do is go into the personal narrative slide. You will need to sign in for this. You are going to use your Google school account. It is a Pear Deck, kind of like what we did as a class the other day, only you're going to work on it individually. You shouldn't need your earbuds for this because there's no sound for it, but you'll work through each slide and there will be questions you need to answer, which I will see your responses. So you need to make sure that you're actually doing the work, otherwise you won't get credit for it. When you're done working through all of those slides, then you're going to go to this final personal narrative spot. In this spot, you are going to be working on your final draft for your personal narrative. So you can choose from the 4 stories that we've already written together, the brainstorm writing, the show versus tell, the first time I did something, and the lesson learned that we've already written. One of those could be your best one that you want to choose, and you can copy and paste it over into this final spot. Or you could opt to write a completely new story based on the student example that you watched or looked at in Pear Deck. You kind of want to model yours after that. That was a fairly decently written personal narrative. So if yours doesn't look anything like it, we want to make it look like that. And we'll be working on these next week, but this is our starting spot for that. If you happen to get through all of those things, then you're going to work on just silent reading again, because you do need to finish up your book that you're reading by October 22nd so that we can do our book project that goes with that. Remember, please be on your best behavior. Please be kind. Please be respectful to one another and your substitute teacher. I want to hear an excellent sub note when I return, and I will miss you all. Thanks.